Never heard it.
It's a great thing to know all these things. I wish somebody could pen it down, all these things you are narrating nicely for people to know that these things are definitely possible and these things will definitely happen also in future. Now coming to the second point, I didn't know Hunter was it was so difficult to do. I say navigation having no aids. I think you had DME, whereas I was flying vampires in the valley, and we did a lot of practice for the night sorties in Chandigarh. It had nothing except the RT, and RT also there was no surety that when it is going to pack up. Then I'm just trying to understand what
for DME to work, Quatra, you need a beacon. And flying at low levels, there was no beacon.
I agree with you. The Hardy range at low level is not going to be more than 20 kilometers. 100, you go by the high system. But I'll say Hunter was it was unique. But one thing which you are mentioning about the bridge, I remember from Srinagar, we were called for the closest port in Punch area and near Kahuta. One bridge used to be there, and if you go on the westerly direction, it was south of, I think, south of Mangla Dam. We were supposed to attack that bridge. And on 15th of December, then I attacked that bridge with the rockets. Then I had my first flame up. But I remember that bridge when we went low, it was already broken. I don't know, because when the engine flamed out, I don't remember all those things.
You've been picking up debris and flaming out your engine from a bridge which is already broken.
No, it was not that. It was because of the stupid British rockets. They were Second World War type, and they used to leave so much of smoke, and that smoke entered the intake and choked the intake, and the engine flamed out.
Well, we never had these. Yeah, we got a few bullets here and there into the aircraft, but luckily we never lost an engine.
Great, great.
I'm seeing your face. In fact, 10 days back only I spoke to you on telephone, and we had in chat. And you are looking great, I must say.
Yeah,
you are still looking green.
Thanks, Rakesh. Thank you.
All the best, guys. All the best.
Thanks, Quatra.
Thank you, Quatra, sir. So now we have our Air Commodore Bhargava sir. Sir, would like to share something with our today's hero, sir?
Yes, of course. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear. We can hear.
Okay. First of all, Jai Singh, so I'm very sorry. I had to go in between somewhere, and then in between my internet also gave some trouble.
I will share the recording, sir. No issue.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to become, but in any case, whatever I heard, very fascinating, very, very interesting, in the sense that I was quite surprised.
I think your voice is breaking up, sir. We can't get your voice.
You're not flown Sabres yourself?
So Sabres, for flying Sabres, we have to go.
No, but most of us have flown Sabres when we hadn't gone to the US. I had flown Sabre myself. So, perhaps to differentiate between Hunter and Sabre, particularly, I do not know what height and what kind of environment you were in. A little different. I suppose it's not a very difficult thing, but perhaps you have not flown Sabre. That must be the reason. Otherwise, you can
Yeah, if somebody tells you there are sabers in the area, every aeroplane that you see from far in a foggy atmosphere looks like a saber to you.
Sir, he just wanted to kill me.
In fact,
He just wanted to kill me. That's it.
no, but he didn't. Finally, he didn't.
Fortunately,
Bala, you are very lucky. Very lucky.
I would have-
No, there have been some incidents. There have been some incidents in Pathankot. I do not know Pathankot. I don't know.
Yeah.
There was, who nearly shot at
अरे
night.
बाला है इसको सुपारी दी गई थी.
Who almost
missed out.
fired a missile.
One
who was this person?
Bogle,
Oh, no.
by mistake, and he was shot down by this gentleman who retired as an air marshal eventually, Bhavnani.
Bhavnani, okay. Because I heard about this kind of incident.
Sorry, Bhojwani.
Bhojwani. Okay, Bhojwani. Bhoji was.
Mistake by Bhojwani. He was told by the SU at Amritsar.
I see. Correct.
Yeah, it is enemy aircraft. The blips got mixed up.
Yeah, Thavle was the name of the guy.
Another
Thavle.
thing I would like to share, Jay, that while 3 of your course mates got Veer Chakra, and 3 of us were POWs, same course. So it's Dilip Parulkar, myself, and Tejwan Singh.
Okay.
And we had a majority, but let me tell you, there's a plus point. We had a majority there.
What a coincidence, sir.
And of course, that was a sad experience, a bad experience, I must say.
No.
Still, never mind. It happened.
Yeah, it must have been a terrible experience. Like I used to listen to Chati's stories about, how
Chati was, he did a wonderful job there. And of course, I'm in touch with him. And good to hear your story. And but Mr. Rao, I would request you kindly recording. You as usual, you have been sending me recording.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, I'll share you and also
I'll
put it
be-
on the YouTube also, sir. YouTube also.
I'll be thankful to that. And thank you very much, Jay. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
All the
sir.
best. And where are you settled?
I don't know whether we had any interaction in the Air Force, but I definitely heard your name all right, sir. As Brother Bhargav, I knew you.
So much so that even Pakistani started calling me Brother Bhargav. So that's okay. Good to hear you. Very nice to see you, meet you, whatever it is.
Thanks so
And
much.
where are you settled?
I'm here in Bangalore, sir.
You're in Bangalore. Okay. Chalo. God bless. All the best to everyone. And thank you, Mr. Rao, and thank you, Mr. Pathak. Excellent
sir.
job you've done.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Excellent.
So kind of you. Always add colors to our program.
Thank you, sir.
We
Thank you.
request you to welcome all our programs also in the ensuing.
So sweet of you. So sweet of you. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Now we have another guest, sir. He is not air warrior, but warrior from the ground. Actively participated in the 71 war, and he was, I think, witnessing that surrender part of it in Dhaka. So he has been with us throughout our journey for the past 8-9 calls. So none other than Brigadier Apte, sir. Ajit Apte, sir.
Okay, I saw him last time when we were
Yes.
watching interaction. Yeah.
He's a distinguished guest, and he always adds color and also value to our discussion from the ground level perspective. Yes, sir. Apte, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Rao. Firstly, Wing Commander Galawat, sir, excellent what you mentioned. So also Bala Shankar, sir, and all the Air Force warriors.
Sir, one request, sir. Sir, Brigadier, sir. Just maintain some gaps, sir. Your picture is not so clear. Now it's fantastic. Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Rao, thank you very much for inviting me. Firstly, my sincere thanks to Wing Commander Galawat, sir, Wing Commander or Group Captain Bala Shankar, sir, and of course Patra, sir, all air warriors. I have great respect for you. My first cousin was also in the Air Force. May have been a little senior to Wing Commander Galawat, Flight Lieutenant Pradeep Apte, who was shot down on the first day of the 71 war on 4th December in the counter-air offensive strike. He was number 2 to then Flight Lieutenant Dinky Jathar. My father was also with the British Indian Army, retired as a brigadier, but his cousin sister was married to Air Marshal Malse, who I think retired as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff. So I have a very strong connection with the Air Force. And I must say, I have seen the air combat over my gun position when Don Lazarus, Ganpati Massey, and Andrew Massey.
1 second, Vishwanath sir. 1 second, Vishwanath sir, please mute yourself. Vishwanath sir.
So I witnessed a dogfight, and as you all know, I blindfolded Flight Lieutenant Parvez Mehdi, who subsequently became the Air Chief of the Pakistan Air Force. And something unique we did is we had a beer and lunch with the Air Force pilots after 47 years in RSI Pune. So I must welcome all of you, sir. Whenever you come to Pune, give us the opportunity. I'm also the Chairman and the Senior Vice President of the National Defence Academy Alumni Association. Air Marshal Masand knows about that. And we will organize a special get-together for the Air Warriors. Let me tell you, the armed forces, the Army especially, owes a lot to you Air Warriors. I have also commanded a brigade during the Kargil conflict on the Western Front. So I've been closely integrated with Joint Air Support, and you people do it magnificently. I have seen it as a second lieutenant during the 71 war, but as I grew in service and I took part in so many joint exercises, hats off to you. You people have done yeoman service, and I think the air defense of India is largely responsible to great fighter bomber pilots like you all. I was happy to be on a call yesterday with Wing Commander Suresh Karnik, very senior, 1956 commission. He is also a Veer Chakra, and therefore it gives us tremendous pleasure, especially the members of the ground forces, to be integrated with you. I wish you all good luck, God bless, and all the very best, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
sir. Thank you so much, sir, Brigadier sir. And we have also our JW Pathak sir. If you'd like to ask anything or share something with all our Air Warriors on the call. Unmute yourself, sir. Unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. I can hear. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very much thankful to all of them, those who honor my words and take part and make our all these meetings so rememberable. So all people are asking that every week we are going to have meeting, and because of these people, those who just honor my request and come and I had a meeting, attend to our meeting, and give us true stories directly from horse's mouth. Otherwise, we can't have chance to talk to these people, even see them in person. So they are giving us a great chance, and we are all enjoying it. So I'm thankful to everybody, all of them.
No,
Thank you, Galavat sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
He is the main source of inspiration, sir. He is only 34. If you deduct half a century from his age, still going so young and energetic, and is in fact he's a source of motivation for all of us.
Yeah, he is. He is. And
So,
great seeing you guys.
yes, sir. So now I request other members to unmute yourself and ask any questions you would like to ask to our Wing Commander Galavat sir. So we have a Wing Commander.
Mr. Rao, I have one question, if
Yes,
it is
sir.
permitted.
Please, Brigadier sir, please.
Sir, I just wanted to know one thing, that when you were flying from Pathankot and especially in the Rajouri Poonch areas, was there a proper utilization of the air effort by the army? Because what I do believe I saw on the Eastern Front, which Air Marshal Masand also accepts, a lot of air effort was not correctly utilized. And maybe that may have been one of the reasons where we could have optimally made contingency plans to take on more targets, out long-term interdiction on the Western Front also.
Yes, Pathak sir, mute yourself. Patek sir, mute yourself.
These kind of questions, I don't think we can answer because we were too junior to even sort of do any control of the squadron. Because what effort we did, yes, I was happy to be in the air because Pathankot was being bombed quite frequently, and you have no weapon which can sort of help you against bombs falling on top. At least once you're airborne, you had a 50% chance. If you're better than the other guy who's fighting with you, you can at least survive. So I used to be, as soon as possible, get back into the sky, and that's what ended up maybe making me do the maximum number of missions in my squadron during the war. But this command and control, whether we utilize or underutilize, I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right, sir. Any other air warriors? Can unmute yourself and ask, sir.
Rao sir,
Muthu sir, please.
Rao sir.
Yes, sir. Please, Muthu sir.
Sir, I am Sergeant Varunan. I've been posted twice Pathankot. My first and last posting, of course, it was not during wartime and all. It is late 70s. What I heard the moment I got posting there was Pathankot is so very near. If the pilot takes off from the runway, within 30 to 40 seconds, he is in the Pakistan territory. I want to know whether from Wing Commander whether that was true.
That is absolutely true. The moment you turn left.
Left, yeah, it's straight going Srinagar, left.
We were very close.
I was in missile squadron both the times, sir. And that time, 3 squadron and 26 squadron were operating there. Of course, this 20 squadron or 22, which you speak about, was not there, I think. I was in 78 and 79.
We moved in there sometime in the beginning of 71 or maybe towards the end of 70. I'm not very sure when our squadron moved from Halwara to Pathankot.
Later it moved to where, sir? Later it moved to some other place, I think. By the time I reached there was 3 and 26 squadron only.
I left the squadron in 1972 December.
So later.
Where it went, I'm not very sure. But then during the war, we were in Pathankot and we had moved from Halwara.
Yes, sir. And there were some unexploded bombs lying in that Chakki River, sir. Those were in the 71 war or 65 war, sir?
The 71 war, we had a lot of unexploded ammunition, which was being cleared by these people who are experts in that field.
And they say Pakistan pilots, instead of a runway bombarding the runway, they put the bomb on the rivers thinking it's a runway. That's true, sir?
I don't know whether once you're in a dive to sort of really try and change your mind. But yes, we had a lot of these. One day our ammunition dump, something must have happened to it, either whether it was bombed or some spark fluid. But in the whole early morning, all the rockets and bombs which were armed, they were exploding right next to us because our squadron crew room was just across the road from the bomb dump.
Yeah, sir, bomb dump. Yeah, I remember. I have been doing PAD duty in bomb dumps many times.
Yeah, that was quite a scary moment when we were wondering who's causing this. Then they told us it was a bomb dump which was on fire.
Thank you for the information, sir. Thank you. My question is over.
Sergeant, the 3 squadron was operating from the same place that 27 squadron was operating during war.
Oh, yes,
because
sir.
I was posted to 3 squadron in 81.
Okay, sir.
So it was in the same place that you were. 27 was there.
I have done duties in the pants, sir. Hangars used to be called pants.
Okay.
Pants.
Yeah, I think we have one more gallantry awardee. Our Veer Chakra holder, Wing Commander Suresh Karnik is also on the call. Sir, would you like to share something with him, sir?
Sure. I don't know whether I can recognize him, but then I definitely have heard his name.
Yeah, Karnik, Wing Commander Karnik, sir. If you'd like to speak, you can unmute yourself, sir.
Where is he on the screen? Let me try and see.
Yeah, we are going to have his call on the 9th, sir. He will be our guest on the 9th of May. So, next, any other persons or air warriors? Yeah, Viswanath Balinga, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Unmute, sir. You are gone on mute. Unmute. Yes.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, sir, you are right.
Thank you. Thank you. It's really a pleasure to interact with three sportsmen in this month. Wing Commander Quatra, AM Marshal Musk.
Sir, your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear.
Maybe the internet connection may be faulty.
Yeah, it seems to be poor. So any
All
other
three this month.
sir?
Am I audible?
Try
Am I
again.
audible?
Try again.
It's
Am I audible?
it's coming broken, sir.
The speech is not so clear, sir. Not so clear. Yeah, now Nandakumar, sir, would you like to ask anything? Unmute, sir. Unmute, please unmute. Unmute.
Good afternoon, everyone. It was so absorbing, Wing Commander Jai Singh Gelawat sir, that I simply forgot to take my tea, which is lying still on the tea.
So engaging.
I had mine quietly after I muted myself from the video.
Now I will tell her to prepare one more cup of tea. Thank you, sir. It was wonderful listening to you. Hair-raising experience for us.
I was keeping too many people bored, I thought.
No, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. The beauty is this, I too was a part of 71 and 65 war. I was in Hunter Squadron, I told you earlier. That was 37 Squadron. We had a very good time there. Day and night, we used to only load the guns and simply unload, load, and unload. And every time we were happy when the pilot came saying that all the guns have been very useful, very successfully to be fired, and we got that target. We felt a lot of proud in that, our job.
We remember these sites where the armament people used to write bad words on the bombs that they used to load, as if somebody is going to read them and they stop them.
We felt elated then, very much elated, seeing your hair-raising performance. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar, sir. And anybody else? So, Wing Commander Bole, sir. Unmute, sir. Unmute. You are talking. You have to unmute before. Yeah. Yourself, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir. It was very fascinating talk, and it was discussed in a very free and frank manner. I like that. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, Balinga, sir. Play, try, sir, now. Balinga, sir.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Now you're audible.
It's a really opportunity to listen all three postmates in this month. That is Wing Commander Quatra, Wing Commander Gelawat. The adventurous journey, particularly in one war, in Eastern sector and Western sector, we were really thrilled to listen. The air superiority of our pilots ensured that the army would advance and we could win the war very successfully. Hats off to the air warriors. Incidentally, I was in FIL from 72 to 75 mid. That has Wing Commander Dogra was the commanding officer. During that time, I have come across not many air warriors. I got an opportunity to meet them and serve them. I joined there after corporate sector, but then I hats off to Indian Air Force and air warriors. I wish them all the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank
you, sir. Thank you, sir. I think Wing Commander Vasudev, sir, would like to speak. Unmute, sir. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Unmute, sir. You're gone. No, you switched off your video. But audio. Yes, sir. Now you can speak. Yes, sir.
I just want to say thanks to Jai Singh Gelawat, an excellent explanation of the events. Enjoyed each and every minute of his. Just to add to one, he's my coachmate. And to give you one small story of his, how he made himself fit all the time.
Yeah, well, we'll be happy. More than
happy. Yeah, in 65, I was down during the war. After the 65 war, we were flight cadets in Delhi. he would come on cycle all the way from Safdarjung Airport to the military hospital to come and say hello to me.
Great.
Twice a week on cycle. And I was down there with me. My neighbors were 2 Pakistan Army captains and the senior most Lieutenant Colonel Goldwal, who was captured. And I was down with chicken pox somewhere in December.
Okay.
You can ask him why he made all these trips. That's how he always kept fit.
And we never knew that you had chicken pox. Otherwise, today we would have come with a mask and stayed far away. No, it was nice. He's
yeah, so nice a person he is, sir. In fact, we understand.
Good friend of
Can
mine.
I say something?
Yeah, Bala
Can
sir.
I add
Yes, sir.
one
Bala, sir.
small? Okay, now I must tell you a hidden talent of Jay Gelawat.
Hey, come on.
He is a big time thief. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you a story, you'll believe what I say. Good old days, the pilots branch was called GDP. It was not FP, it was General Duties Pilots. And one of the duties we used to dread was the paying officer's job. You had to collect the money from the accounts officer, and there would be men and officers waiting in the squadron. You went and paid the money. You had a green bag with all the cash, beautifully divided into the exact change and coin that was required. Exact, perfect, amazing job done. We were pilot officers in the Pune doing our initial training on vampires. Unfortunately or fortunately, in those days, you had to fly for 6 hours every month to get your flying bounty, which was 250 rupees a month. Since we didn't have that much of flying, we used to be seconded to transport aircraft to sit and fly on them. So we put on and we asked the captain, can I come in? You got into the aircraft and you flew and you came back and you logged those hours and you collected your money. Our friend Gelawat was detailed as a paying officer one day. Young guy, 3 months service. He went and collected the money and he was going back to his squadron to make payment. And there were 100 people waiting in a queue for the money. As he was going past number 6 squadron of Pune, which was flying the Super Connies from the Air India, they had been come to the Air Force. He saw crew walking towards the aircraft. He wanted some hours. So he forgot about the payment. With the bag, he ran to the aircraft. By now, the crew was already in the cockpit, and we were pilot officers. Flight lieutenants, squadron leaders were like kings, gods. You couldn't talk to them. So he got into the aircraft quietly at the back. That later on, I will tell him, sir, I wanted hours. The aircraft doors closed, switched off, and aircraft took off.
Okay.
And it was a long flight, so our friend went to sleep in a seat. And they were good seats because they were passenger airline, Air India aircraft. Good seat, he went to sleep. At the squadron level, people are waiting for Gelawat. He was missing.
Okay.
Okay. The pilot of the aircraft, the commanding pilot, he came walking in the aircraft. In the air, he came walking. He saw this youngster pilot officer sleeping in the aircraft. Friend, where are you going? Who are you? He said, I'm sorry, I couldn't ask you because this thing, I need bounty hours. He said, that's okay. You know where we are going? He said, no, sir. We're going to Karnikobar. We're going to come back, stay there overnight and come back next day.
Okay.
There was an alarm. There was an alert that pilot officers run away with money.
Oh.
Gelawat, would you like to take on from there? Over to you.
So passionate about flying.
The next day, the senior accounts officer put me in front of the AOC, who was that time, I think, Air Commodore Latif. And he sort of, instead of giving me a mouthful, he says, young man, did you know how much you had? I said, no, sir, I hadn't counted because I was just walking up for the pay parade when this aircraft came in between when I sat in it. He said, this is very little money to run away with. But you scared the hell out of the senior accounts officer that you went and ran away with his money. When I told him that, he said, no, I came to know as to what happened, as to where all. I didn't know that aircraft was going to Karnikobar. I thought they used to do circuits and landings in Pune, so they'll come back after maybe an hour or so. it became an overnight stay, and they thought I had gone away with that money. Paying officers missing.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bala sir. So anybody else? Dilip Dasji from Bengal. Sir, would like to ask anything?
Hello. Hello. Can you
Yes,
hear me, sir? Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, we can hear you.
No, what I wanted to tell you, because we are post 71 batches, because my date of enrollment is 74. So wherever you are posted, all the units we came to know the story and so many things about the 71 war. But these 2 days, last Sunday also, and this Sunday also, whatever we had in this virtual meeting, it is really, sir, I wanted to tell you, this is worth and amazing. I don't think it won't be able to read and write from any sort of books and other sorts of things. So whatever we are now listened since morning, it is, I really, sir, grateful to them, and I salute to them. Those who are Air Warrior, those who have done this operation, and those who are awarded with the Parambit Chakra, Veer Chakras, and whatever the gallantry awards. I really salute to them. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir. In fact, we are learning a lot.
So many things we came to know.
But now
this is
really
not written in any books. What are the things that we came to know virtually and audible, that it is never, I don't think it has been find any books or any sorts of other documents.
Yes, sir.
Really, sir, thank you. A lot of thanks. Many thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else, sir?
Now, sir, add to it, I would like to say the comics and the sense of humor of our Wing Commander was so very exciting. Today's meeting was very, very interesting, sir. They are the real heroes, far more better than the actual heroes. They are not the real heroes. These are the real heroes. And seeing the conversation of our super seniors, we really felt it was just
in fact, today's call for first time we enjoyed not only the instance of bravery and also the lighter side of the life with all his colleagues like Bala.
Exactly. That was the more interesting part, including the war experiences.
Thanks for bringing us together. At least we could see each other after such a long time.
Sir, excuse me. I would like to say, they say Shahrukh Khan is a big hero. I say better than him, you are the hero. You have so much of sense of humor.
Thank you very much.
Since the beginning of your meeting, you were with the full laughter. You made everyone laughter in this pandemic, and you make us all cheerful.
No.
They are all only real heroes, sir. He is the real hero.
Exactly.
There are lots of discussions with my son to say this corona is only in the head of the people.
Exactly, sir.
And that's why they are dying. They're not dying of any virus.
Sir. Any sick person coming, sitting with you for an half an hour, his sickness will go off, sir.
It works like a medicine. No, you're giving a lot of immunity to us by listening to the story.
Yes, sir. That full laughter is a God gift to you.
And sir, at this stage, I may tell you that seeing this response for this program, we are also from next week onwards, Pathak ji and we are planning for success stories of our own air warriors, like who retired as a sergeant, became vice chancellors, or became DIG in IPS or IAS officers, and great entrepreneur kind of people are there, sir. So parallel to this, without disturbing this schedule, we are planning another day for bringing out the success stories of all our air warriors to inspire our youngsters and all people, sir.
Anytime.
Yes. Anything else, sir, from anybody? Nandakumar, sir?
Balingeshram has been trying to talk. I think something going wrong with his system. I think we should give him a chance.
Balinga, sir, if you can talk, unmute yourself. Balinga, sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible. No, sir. We can't hear, sir. That there is some, I think, a problem.
Internet connection.
Please, no stability in your internet. Yeah, anybody else, sir?
Yes, I would like to add, Mr. Rao.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pathak, sir.
Sir, this Gelawat, sir, initially you were saying that.
Why now?
Hello.
1 second, sir. Once let our Jedula pastor. Mute yourself, sir. Mute yourself, calling us, sir. I'll give you.
Beloved sir, initially when we had talked, you were a little shy of talking. That's what you told me. But after hearing you, all your narrations, I myself was feeling that as if I am sitting in a hunter trainer by your side and having a sortie with you. What can be better than that?
No.
All hats off to you, sir. Hats off to you. It was a lovely narration.
Thanks.
Yeah, you told a great story with great oratory. He is an orator.
Thank you.
Yeah, my God.
I get very
sir, super
stage.
He made everyone laugh.
It was wonderful session and really
lively.
Enjoyed. Most lively.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Achha, now Balinga sir, you try once again. Yes, sir. Try. Unmute, sir. Speak, sir. I think there is some problem. Anybody else, sir, who would like to speak to? Yeah, Brijmohan, sir. Yes. Unmute and speak, sir. Now we are coming to the end of this session. Unmute yourself, Brijmohan Garu. Please unmute yourself. Unmute. Anybody else, sir? If somebody would like to speak, they can raise their hands. Other than Balinga, sir, there is some issue with his network. So Anand Sapre, you would like to speak, sir? Anand Sapre or Satyapal Malhotra, sir, and Subbareddy Garu, Suresh Sapkal.
Can you hear me, please?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, please?
Yeah, Brijmohan, please. Yes, sir. But we can't see you, but can hear you.
Okay. First of all, I am very much proud to listen the this war story of our
Gelawar
Sahab. And I would like to say that during the period of 71 war, my trade is engine fitter. During the period of 71 war...
Can we see you, sir? Can we see you so that the camera can capture picture?
Unmute the video, I think.
Yeah, unmute the video.
Somewhere something wrong, I find.
Yeah, okay. Go on, sir. Okay. And now, yes, we can see you.
Now you can see me.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can see you now. Now the voice is gone.
I'm very much proud to say that I took part in 71 war, and during that period I was in Aero undergoing conversion course, and during the period of war this training was ceased and I was routed back to Aeropeak Flight Nasik, from where I came for training. And when I reached there, I found that the whole unit has gone forward to fighting and the rear parties only left. When I reported there, as per the instruction of commanding officer, I was asked to route to the executive at the location of the unit. I was routed to Badmer. I reported there to the MC office, and then I was put there in the camp, where from I was taken by transport to the location of my Aeropeak flight, where it was exactly located. I joined that flight, and the place was very close to, after crossing the Badmer area of Rajasthan sector, next railway station is Mulabao. The location was somewhere near Mulabao area where I reported. And our forces of army forces advanced so much ahead that as we have to help the artillery for giving the support, our Aeropeak flight base kept on moving behind them and made the ALG grounds at the different places. And time came that we entered into the Pakistan territory and made our base in Khokra Park, which is inside the Pakistan territory. And very proud to work there in the Khokra Park, that we have our forces advanced so much. We made our base there. We had during that period, we had aircraft Krishit Mark II, used by artillery pilots. And we maintained the fitness of the aeroplane day and night, and we ensured that the pilot keeps getting the 100% fit aeroplane. All the sorties were very successful, and because of the deserts, we had to face many problems because of the dirt. A lot of sand was going into the system, and after every sortie, we used to clean the sparking plugs, we used to clean the air filters, we used to clean the fuel filters, and maintaining the 100% serviceability of the aircraft.
Okay, now we are running out of time, sir.
We achieved a lot.
Yes. Running out of time. Anything connected with our
main thing that we carried out very many operations and we did not lose anything. We did not lose any aircraft. We did not lose any pilot, and we were all happy at the end of war.
Thank you, sir. I salute you for your participation and devotion duty during the course of the war. Yeah, okay, we are coming to the end.
Everyone, all the war. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, yeah, before we close, any questions, sir, finally? So we are already, time is up. Yeah, Balinga, sir, finally you try, but unmute yourself and try, sir. Unmute yourself, sir. Yeah, unmute. No, you are going on mute. There is some problem. Your audio is not working. Switch it on. Yes, sir. Try now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible?
Now you are audible.
Yes. There's only one question. Sir, and situation warranted, and you had to take a hard turn. What was the learning from that? Because you mentioned thereafter no hard turn was taken. So can you just brief on that your hard turn experience? 71 war.
Well, a hard turn is a hard turn. Like, basically in the Hunter, what we were trained to do is that if you want somebody who's behind you to sort of get away from there, we put a one notch of flap and turn as hard as we can. And obviously we had to do the turn in either level or climbing, because if you would have descended, we would have gone into the ground. We were so low. So, and the person, if he can turn better than you, he'll remain on your tail. Otherwise, he'll get away from there.
Because as you mentioned, thereafter you never took a hard turn. But that must have been very thrilling one, sir.
No. That's a normal maneuver for getting away from the person who's on your tail. A hard turn is basically a turn which is sort of performed by the aeroplane at the maximum possible G that you can withstand.
Okay. I think with this we come to the end of this excellent, inspiring, and we enjoyed the lighter moments also with so many of his friends on the call. So in fact, sir, it's a great story, an inspiring story. Not one instant or two instances. We have the citation, 4 instances of greatness and showing up display of gallantry, devotion to duty of high order, and showing up professional skill. Beyond all that, integrity to the duty you are given with, and you enjoyed flying passionately for 48 years, maintaining good health. We pray God to continue maintaining the good health and keep inspiring so many people like us in the future also, sir. So nice having you on the call. Really, I am inspired, learning a lot from you, all the people like you. And finally, J.W. Pathak, sir, I would like you to end up the call. So
again, Rao sir, hats off to you. You are a wonderful anchor. So whatever I was supposed to do, you have done everything. So other than thanking the people and thanking you also, you have not left any job for me.
Just carry on. They say, carry on regardless. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I'm sure you'll be able to feel happier if you motivate.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Definitely, we are happy. So thank you all. I thank all our other air warriors like Brigadier Apte sir, then Wing Commander Bala sir, Wing Commander Vasudev sir, then Pathak sir, Dilip Das ji, and Wing Commander, our chief guest Gelawat sir, and Brij Mohan ji, Nand Kumar ji, Anand Sapreji, then Varun Muthuji, and all the Manik Dere and Satya Prakash, Gaur Paul, then Padmavati, and all these people. For the Acha, now for a change, would like to ask anything? Yeah, no. Okay, thank you all, sir. We are enjoying. We have a call, and again, every Sunday we keep having the calls at the same time. Next week we have the call of who, sir?
Vinko Krishnamurthy, sir.
Wing Commander Krishnamurthy, sir.
Okay.
Helicopter pilot.
Same time, same day, next week.
Bye. Stay safe.
Thank you, Wing Commander, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you all, sir. Thank you all. You have
Thank you, Rao, sir. Thank you, Pathak, sir.
Thank you, all of you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, all of you.
Give us a call.